Hello everybody, today I will introduce metallic thread fabric to you. Metallic thread fabric is made by blending or embroidering metal wires such as gold, silver, copper, or aluminum, or metal-coated polyester films with textile fibers, creating a unique visual and functional effect. Here are its main advantages. The reflective properties of metallic threads give the fabric a glamorous and high-end look, making it ideal for evening gowns, stage costumes, wedding dresses, and other eye-catching garments. The refraction of light from different angles can create gradient or iridescent effects, enhancing the three-dimensional appeal of designs. It is often used in embroidery, jacquard, or as accents. Metallic threads can instantly elevate the sophistication of ordinary fabrics, suiting ethnic, vintage, or futuristic styles. It can be combined with silk, gauze, cotton, and other base fabrics to create contrasting textures. The addition of metal wires or coated fibers increases the fabric's resistance to friction, making it less prone to peeling or wear. High-quality metallic threads are treated with protective coatings to prevent oxidation and rust, extending their lifespan. Modern techniques allow metallic threads to be finer and lighter, preventing significant added weight while maintaining wearability. Traditional metal threads may be stiff, but improved versions are now more flexible.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.